Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix GTA 5 crash on loading screen or startup quickly and easily. First, make sure your PC meets the minimum requirements and your graphics drivers are fully updated because outdated drivers are one of the main reasons for crashes. Next, go to your game folder and run GTA 5 as administrator. This helps avoid permission issues. After that, open your launcher, whether it's Steam or Epic Games, and verify the game files to fix any corrupted data. Now, disable any unnecessary background apps like overlays, mods, or antivirus temporarily, as they can interfere with the game launch. Also, try deleting the settings.xml file from your Documents GTA 5 folder so the game can create fresh settings. Finally, ensure your Windows is updated and restart your system before launching the game again. This should fix the crash issue and get your game running smoothly. Subscribe the channel for more videos.